I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where
Hey guys, what is up? It is Monday, February 26th at 4:07 p.m. Why is this focus? I was gonna do a day in my life today and like start it this morning, but I totally forgot to start a vlog this morning. So I'm just gonna, obviously all you really missed was like me going to school, which wouldn't have been that interesting anyways. So I think I'm just gonna vlog a little bit today. I have not like a packed schedule, but I have a lot that I want and need to do. First things first, this company just sent me a package. It is from Bianco Smile, so I'm gonna open it up. So this is what they sent me. It is just this little box, and it's activated charcoal whitening powder. So it's one of those things where you just dip your toothbrush in and brush your teeth, I believe. Thank you guys for sending me this. I cannot wait to try it out. And yeah, their logo is super cool too. Plan for today is I need to film a video. It's just a little 1-minute audition video that I'm doing for a project. Not like a school project, like an actual YouTube project, but I need to film my audition tape for it. So I'm gonna do that. Finish filming my audition tape. I think it went well. I hope it went well. I have to edit it and send it in today. It's due at midnight. We'll see how that works out. I'm gonna go make a snack and then maybe get ready for the gym or something. I don't know, maybe not. Maybe watch some Netflix. I guess we will see. Hi guys, it is a little bit later now. It is 5:25 and I'm just gonna sit here and edit for a little bit. I need to edit that video audition thing that I did. It shouldn't take too long because it's a really short video. It has to be under a minute, so we'll see if I can cut down all my talking to 1 minute. Yeah, I have a lot of videos coming up that I'm super excited for because, I don't know, I just am. Because I haven't been on the grind lately, but I've been getting back into the grind, so I'm very excited about that. And I just want to put out a lot of content that I'm actually proud of, and I've been proud of the last couple videos that I've done, so I'm very excited, and I hope that that keeps up. Okay, so it is like a few minutes later now, 5:29 p.m. and I'm currently on Instagram Live while I'm editing a video. Sarah says, hey vlog, with a heart. Adson says, hi. Yeah, I'm just editing a video and editing that audition thing I was talking about. Alright, so it is 6:31 now and I'm just finishing uploading my application little thingy that I did. You can go watch it. It's public on my YouTube channel. You've probably already seen it or heard of it before you're even watching this vlog, but it's just an audition to a panel that VidCon's doing, and I've been wanting to do it for years, but I've never had the opportunity to because I've never been able to go to VidCon. But this year, since I'm finally going, I'm just gonna YOLO. Really quickly, I want to say happy birthday to Hannah, my best friend. I love you guys. I love you guys. What do you mean? It's one person. She is one of my best friends here on YouTube, and you guys probably know who she is because she's literally famous. I'm kidding, but she is a long, but we've been friends for such a long time, and she's one of my favorite people to talk to ever. But happy 17th birthday. She's literally in Hawaii right now, and I'm so jealous, but happy birthday. I cannot wait to meet you so soon. You mean the world to me, and have the best birthday ever. Hi guys, it's a lot later. It is 7:49. I guess it's not that much later, but it's 7:49 and I am showered. As you can tell, I'm wearing my Playlist Live shirt, and I'm getting ready to go to my I'm getting ready to die from the cold. I am getting ready to go to my best friend's Kayla's house because we're watching The Bachelor. We watch it every Monday, like I think I said that. I never ended up going to the gym. I should have, but hopefully I'll be able to go tomorrow, but knowing me, I probably won't go. But yeah, I'm going to go to watch The Bachelor, and I'll see you after that. So it is a little later now, a lot later now. It is 10:19, and I just got back from watching The Bachelor. It was good. The person who I didn't want to go home got sent home, but it's fine. Well, I'll move on. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog, day in my life here. I hope you guys liked it. I haven't done a vlog in a while, and I don't think I've ever done a day in my life on my channel, so I wanted to try something new, but I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and comment any other videos you want to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
We lie in bed till it's PM. Getting back 'cause sun is dark again. No.